Hey Apple users, in today's quick tutorial I'll show you how to add sticker.ly stickers to iMessage so you can spice up your chats. Let's get right into it. First of all, download the sticker.ly from the Play Store. If you have Android but in iPhone, simply download it from App Store. After downloading it, simply log into your Google account or Facebook account. Then simply you will see this kind of interface. You will find many of the stickers available. Simply tap the sticker whichever you like, or you can simply create a new sticker from clicking on the plus icon at the below. Right now I will choose one random sticker to show you how to add the sticker to iMessage. Suppose I like this sticker. Now simply click on here. You can add this to iMessage by clicking here. As you can see here, you will see the option called add to iMessage, but this is my Android phone, so this is not showing here. You can simply add to WhatsApp. If you need in WhatsApp to add in iMessage, you can simply add to iMessage. The option will be available right here only. To use the sticker on iMessage, open any iMessage conversation, tap the sticker.ly icon from the app drawer, and boom, your stickers are ready to use. Just tap any sticker to send, and that's how you add sticker.ly to iMessage under 2 minutes. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.